Camping tips for stupids. Tip number 82. The summer season is in full swing, and in a lot of parts of the country, it's dry and hot, which means fire ban season. From around July to the end of September, it's too dangerous to risk open flame campfires out in most campgrounds. No more staring off into the glow of the bed of embers, lost in deep thought, wondering why your feet have short, stubby fingers that you can't do anything with. Seriously, what the fuck is up with that? Well, one alternative to comfort of the campfire is the camp lantern. More specifically, the propane double mantle lanterns. Going all the way back to my childhood, when we couldn't have a campfire, we would sit at the table with this big noisy lantern hissing away as we sat around playing cards or eating late night dinners. Ever since then, there is just something comforting and soothing to this damn thing that is also nostalgic for me too. So if you don't already, collect yourself one, and always remember to pre-burn new mantles with a match before actually lighting them with gas. This has been Camping Tips for Stupids. Remember to spay and neuter your idiot population.